Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm back. So today we are going to unbox something new, and I hope you will like this video. This will be very quick. You know, my videos are real quick. Observations, insights, and whatsoever. But anyway, I'm not going to the range today, so because we have online classes, you know. So today, we are going to unbox Holosun 507C. Are you ready? Stand by. Firing. Alright, so let's open the box. Let's be very careful. So it comes with a sleeve. See? And it comes with a hard case or hard box. It's actually beautiful, but it doesn't have a lock. See? If you flip it over, it might fall. So you have to be careful. So here is the box. There we go. Alright, let's start. So there's a phone. So first, I haven't read this yet, but you know what to do. So we have the Holosun 507C reflex sight user's manual. You know what to do. User's manual. Me too. And then, what's this? Alright, so this is the warranty card, and please take a moment to activate your warranty by registering your new optic at holosun.com or scan the QR code. So there you go. And it also comes with a microfiber. I'm not sure. Yeah, microfiber. Is this microfiber? Not sure, but this is a cleaning cloth. Maybe the one that it's like the one that we use for our glasses, sunglasses, shades, or whatsoever. So this one. And of course, the silica gel. So that they put this, the little packet, for it to keep the moisture from damaging a certain product. Yeah, shoes, bags, Holosun. There you go. And then we have a few things here. So it has this, not sure how to show this one to you. There you go. Can you see it now? There. So it comes with a tool, or the star screw, T10 star screw, and adjustment. So you will see, no, you will not see the star, but I can see a small star. Maybe that's why it's called the star screw. Okay, and it also comes with screws with the blue, oh no, blue Loctite. So we have two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the other one is longer and the other one is shorter. So this one is the shorter. Maybe it depends on where you are going to install the sights. So this one is the longer. Alright. So there you go. And let's go to the unit itself. Here. And the other side. God, it's like a makeup vlogger. I have to do this. And then the back side. Okay. So the Holosun 507C has actually the same footprints as the Trigicon RMR. However, when it comes to the price point, if we're talking about the price, Holosun is much cheaper than the Trigicon. but the quality of this one, or the quality of both, they both have good qualities. So there. And also we have the Holosun 507C. Let me just show you real quick. Go inside first. Here. Okay, safety first. Empty magazine. Okay, chamber clear. So what we have here installed in Glock 17 is the Holosun 507C. So the difference is that the 407C has only single option for the reticle. So maybe I can show you. There. So that's the only option for 407C. I hope you can see it, guys. Maybe I could take a closer look. There you go. So this is the 2 MOA reticle single option. Okay, let's put it back now. Okay, so I think the meaning of MOA is minutes of angle. It's how they measure the reticle. I'm not sure. Tell me. Okay, so with 507C, it has the 2 MOA dot. It's like the one in the 407C. It also has the 32 MOA circle and the combination of both. So it also has the shake away function. So meaning it actually turns off every 10 minutes. But it will automatically turn on when it detects motion. So we can wait. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So it's awake now. And what is good about the Holosun that we have is that the battery compartment is here on the side, because the others are in the battery is under. So if it's already installed, you have to remove it to replace the batteries. However, with this one, you just have to unscrew it and then change the batteries. And one more thing, that it has a solar backup. See? But of course, it depends on the environment where you are using this one. Of course, it needs. Okay, so let's try doing the basic operation. So it's quite simple because you will only see 2 buttons. So by the way, these 2 buttons are tactile. You will hear. I can't press it. So there. I'm just letting you hear that both of them are tactile. So this one, so for us to be able to turn on, just press plus button. Let's turn it on. There you go. I hope there. I want you to see it. How? There. Okay. So there. You will see now. And then, for you to be able to turn off, just press both plus and minus push buttons. Let's try. Okay, it's turned off now. So we're going to turn it on again. Okay, there. So for reticle change, you have to press the minus button for 3 seconds. Let's try. Maybe the dot. It's like the 407C. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there. And then let's change it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there you go. So this is actually, I'm not sure, IPX7 waterproof, and the estimated battery life of this one is 50,000 hours. How long is that? Right. And for the modes, we have 3 modes. So whenever changing the modes, you're going to press the plus button for 3 seconds. Again, for the reticle change, you have to press the minus button for 3 seconds. But now for the modes, we have 3 modes. We have automatic, we have auto, we have the manual, and we have lockout. So for the automatic, it will adjust to the environment's light. It depends. And then for manual, you can adjust the brightness, and just by using the plus and minus button again, it's from 1 to 12, the brightness. And then the lockout, it will be locked out to the last manual setting you set from the manual adjustment. So there you go. So after installing this, I don't know where, if we are going to install this in, maybe here, because this is ready. Glock 19. Let's check first. So this empty magazine. Clear chamber. Okay. Alright. So yeah, the plates, and then here. So once we installed the Holosun 507C, once we installed it, of course we have to do the 0 settings. So the elevation, the windage. So yeah, we have to 0 the red dot first before using it. And maybe we could, I'm not sure if you still need how to 0 your optics, but maybe if we have time to go to the range, we can quickly do one. So thank you very much for watching my unboxing of Holosun 507C, and I hope I was able to unbox it clearly. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. See you!